Duratec series engines, oil filter replace, and this is really interesting filter, and let's look at how we can replace it. And this oil filter opening happens so that we can firstly purchase specific size this filter opening tool, or then if we have big pliers like I have, I install my pliers in here, and opening direction is in this way, and there are even arrows in here in this sides that there is open logo in here. You can look these small letters in here. Look in here, there is very small arrow that opening direction is in that way, and then we need to only rotate that, and then remember that there is oil inside, and when we open that, install always this some canister below of that oil filter. And now this oil filter is in free, and then we lift this filter in this canister, and we can look at what this filter looks like. Okay, and then when we replace that filter, firstly we have to take that old filter paper element, this part, away. This is first thing. And now, as we can see, my old one is old, and then when we have new filter, we only install this filter back in this way, and then we have to check also this oil ring for this in that area, this rubber ring, that it is fine. And after that, when we have replaced this part, we can install and tighten this back in this position. This is so easy and nice work. Thank you, my friend.